Today we talk about how can you enable home feed recommendations on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. And all you have to do now, just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, you just click here on account settings and you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, sorry, you click here. Before that, you click on account settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you go down and you come here to home feed recommendations. You click in this sign. When you click in this sign here, then like you see this color show for us, that's mean home feed recommendation enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.